For the 2011 model year, a mid-cycle refresh occurred with new sheet metal and new front-end styling treatment similar to that to the 1940s Lincoln Zephyr. The new MKX also featured a new interior with upgraded materials and the first application of the My Lincoln Touch Driver Connect technology system, paired with the absolute worst version of Sync, but more on that later. In today's video, we are taking a detailed in-depth review of my own 2011 Lincoln MKX. This MKX is equipped with the Elite package as well as a limited edition package and is painted in a white platinum tri-coat metallic paint with the exclusive burnished bronze premium perforated leather interior, accented not by wood but exclusive bronze brushed aluminum trim. Full pricing is shown on screen with its complete options list in the description box below. While front drive is standard, our vehicle is equipped with the optional full-time intelligent all-wheel drive system. Power comes from the 3.7-liter dual overhead cam 24-valve Ti-VCT or twin independent variable cam timing V6 engine. This engine is of aluminum block and head construction with port fuel injection and a 10.5:1 compression ratio. It's a healthy power plant that creates 305 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 280 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Despite its weight and drivetrain, the MKX is no slouch. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in 6.4 seconds, with 0 to 100 miles per hour in 17 seconds. The quarter mile is trapped in 15.1 seconds at 94 miles per hour, with the top speed governor limited to 112 miles per hour. The MKX is equipped with a 19 US gallon fuel capacity and consumes 5.3 gallons per 100 miles driven, with an estimated total driving range of 360 miles. EPA fuel economy figures are 17 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway, and 19 miles per gallon combined. The sole available transmission is an electronically controlled 6-speed 6F50 SelectShift automatic transmission. This unit features manual shift capabilities with rev match downshift assist. Around the rear of the MKX, its steeply raked rear hatch gives an air of sportiness and works well with the gloss black accents. In my opinion, this vehicle looks exceptional in the white platinum paint, especially with the aforementioned black accents and factory tinted rear window. Taillights are full LED housed inside red lenses with chrome surrounds. The reverse lamps are incandescent, and under the Lincoln Star logo, the rearview camera is mounted, and within the bumper are the ultrasonic parking sensors. The liftgate is a power opening unit, however does not feature hands-free opening by utilizing a kicking motion under the bumper. Down below reside dual-tip polished stainless steel exhaust outlets and the Corsa Class 2 trailer hitch with 4-pin wiring connections. Along the profile, the MKX does look like a Ford Edge of which it's based. The vehicle sits on a 111.2-inch wheelbase with an overall length of 186.7 inches. Steering is hydraulically assisted vehicle speed-sensitive variable rate rack and pinion with 3.1 turns lock-to-lock and a 38.6-foot turning radius. Wheels are the optional 20 by 8-inch 11-spoke polished aluminum with P245/50 R20 Yokohama Geolander all-season tires. Brakes are power-assisted 4-wheel disc brakes assisted by ABS, traction control, roll stability control, hill start assist, and trailer sway control. These brakes can halt the MKX from 70 miles per hour to 0 in 172 feet. Around the front, the MKX is dramatically different with the previous facelifted vehicles, which utilized styling from the 60s Continentals. In this mid-cycle refresh vehicle, the return of the split-wing grille from the Lincoln Zephyr of the 1940s is much more dramatic. Headlamps are set in chrome bezels inside clear lenses, and on the limited edition are adaptive xenon high-intensity discharge lamps with the laser-etched Lincoln Star logos inside the projector glass. Front indicators are incandescent, and there are no daytime running lights. Down below are projector beam fog lamps framed in a chrome Mobius strip. This vehicle is equipped with remote start as standard equipment. Operation is simple, simply by pressing the lock button on the key fob and double pressing the remote start button. And of course we have Ford's intelligent key smart key access system with a programmable key fob. Operation is simple. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you can lock and unlock the doors by simply pressing that button on the door handle or grabbing the handle to open it. You've also got Ford's keypad entry system with the digital code that you can pre-program. And opening the door reveals a very nice interior. It's very nicely crafted. Taking a look at the door panels here, as you can see, it has a nice soft touch vinyl, a lot of that brushed aluminum trim. You've also got this burnished bronze plastic accents as well. Of course, you got power windows, power mirrors, and power door locks. The driver's side mirror is also heated and automatic dimming. Nice padded armrests and molded matte pockets. And down below, inside the stainless steel area, you do have an illuminated Lincoln tread plate, 8-way power driver and passenger seats with adjustable lumbar supports. On the driver's side instrument panel, you do have 2 driver memories. You've also got fog lamp control, overhead lighting control, automatic headlamp control, and instrument panel brightness and dim. You've also got on the far right, you have your power hatch release. We've also got an electronic tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's leather wrapped, and of course the steering wheel tilt and telescope is programmed through the memory. And taking a look at the seats, they are wrapped in this really nice burnished bronze perforated leather. Of course, the seats are heated and ventilated, and they look exceptionally nice in this vehicle. Only the limited edition vehicles had this. No other factory MKX had these kind of seats and this trim. Alrighty, panning through the interior and show more details. As you can see here, nice fluidic, easy to use hydraulically assisted power steering. On the leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with the burnished bronze plastic accents. Multi-function controls on the left and right hand side of the steering wheel for the My Display. And of course your cruise controls and your Bluetooth and phone controls. The steering wheel is of course heated. Taking a look at the instrument cluster, it's a reconfigurable unit with 2 3-inch LCD displays on either side of the speedometer. Taking a look overhead, on the dashboard, it's all vinyl wrap. It looks like leather. As you saw there, it is a THX premium surround sound system. And moving down the center stack, more of that copper or bronze accents continue. Push button start. You've also got this 8-inch touchscreen display. It's the sync system. And currently, as of now, this screen actually is non-functional in our vehicle because the APIM module went out. Something that Ford knew about. Our vehicle was in the recall, but unfortunately the miles lapsed. So currently our vehicle does not have any of these touchscreen functions, no climate controls. This is what makes this sync system so terrible, is the fact that it's a Sync 2 system. And my Ford Touch and my Lincoln Touch were some of the worst operating touchscreens and user interfaces that Ford ever had. It was greatly improved with the next generation Sync 3, Sync 4. But overall, like, our experience with this one is not a great one. In any event, here is the screen in operation. It's nice to see it back again. But it does have wireless access, like you can actually program wireless internet in this vehicle. It also has an abundance of multifunction controls, navigation, heated ventilated seats, dual zone climate control. You've also got a reverse camera. It does have stationary guidance lines. It also works in conjunction with the ultrasonic parking sensors. You've also got, of course, Bluetooth control, as well as phone controls and all that kind of stuff. You've also got Sirius XM satellite radio and HD radio access. Overall, the actual configuration of the system is actually very convenient and easy to use, very easy to understand. It's actually divided into 4 quadrants for phone, entertainment, climate, and navigation. And down below you do have these touch-sensitive buttons. There's actually no actual buttons to press in this vehicle. These are all touch sensitive, and of course you have these little slider bars for the volume and the fan speed, and they actually work pretty well. Despite what some automotive press journalists said, even at speed, these buttons are actually easy to use. Inside this little panel here is the media inserts. You have these RCA jacks, SD card, 2 USB ports, and an auxiliary input jack. Sliding center armrest here for driver and passenger. They slide back to reveal dual cup holders. The cup holders are illuminated with the illuminated ambient light package, and you also have a deep center armrest. And of course, you can also slide these armrests to cover the cup holders back. Overall, the interior of this vehicle has actually aged very well over time. It's held up very well, sync system aside. Everything else works as it should. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. Overhead on the driver's side sun visor, you do have 3-channel HomeLink universal garage door opener, overhead map lights. And we've also got the panoramic Vista sunroof. It does have a power opening and closing shade. It also has a power opening front glass and a stationary rear glass. And in here you do have sunglasses holders as well. Overhead we do have illuminated vanity mirrors. Sun visors swing out, and of course they also slide out on extension rails. We've also got dampened overhead assist handles and height adjustable seat belts. And taking a look at the rear seat, this vehicle does not have 3 rows of seats, just 2 rows. The rear door panels are exactly the same as the front door panels. On this vehicle, they do have rear outboard heated seats. And that burnished bronze leather upholstery continues back here as well. It is a 60-40 split folding and reclining seat back with high adjustable head restraints on all passenger seating areas and 3-point seat belts. You've also got the center portion that folds down. It creates an armrest, and these little cup holders pop out as well. You've also got overhead illumination and rear outboard reading lights. Another nice feature is adjustable air vents for the rear seat passengers. No rear climate control, however. There's also a 12-volt power point back here as well. And you have 2 seat back mat pockets in the backs of the front seats. Folding the seats is extremely easy, just lifting this lever at the base of the seat, pulling upwards, folds the seat down completely flat, with easy access to the rear cargo area. Alright, one way you can open the rear liftgate is press that button on the driver's side instrument panel. You can also press the key fob, or there's a membrane switch on the liftgate panel. It is power opening. As you can see, it's a very nice, large cargo area. With the rear seats up, they have 32.3 cubic feet of storage capacity. You've also got the THX amplifier and subwoofer back here. You have cargo tie-downs. You've also got this reversible floor mat. You can electrically fold the back seats. They do not fold up, but you can electrically fold them down. 12-volt power point, illumination. Here are those seats in operation there. It's actually very convenient. While they do not fold up, they do fold completely flat on the first try, which is really nice. And with those rear seats folded down, you get 68.6 cubic feet of storage capacity. Underneath the floor mat, you do have small amounts of hidden storage. You've also got a compact spare tire with jack and tools underneath here as well. And closing the liftgate is easy, just pressing this button in the trim panel. Alrighty, and that does conclude our in-depth review of the Lincoln MKX. If you like this review and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews or Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.